Dear listeners, my name is Eze Abraham. I'm here to make a presentation on this topic that borders on the four agendas of MM. As I said earlier, my name is Eze Abraham. The four agendas are on ideology, how it works, the matrix, and the rules and benefits of MM. First of all, let me quickly turn up to the ideology. Firstly, MM is a name that stands for Mavrudia Mundai Movement. Yeah, MM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. It's a community of ordinary people selflessly helping each other. MM is a social network that collects the one who wants to donate money, which will provide help, and in short form it is called PH, and those that want to get money, which is get help, GH. The modern world is very bad. The people don't think about their fellow human being. They don't think of how to help human being. That is why this great mathematician, the programmer, Sergio Movrile, take it out of his boss that it is good to have this platform that is help to help peer platform that will help alleviate poverty and eradicate slavery in totality. These days, government don't think about their subjects. They don't think about the masses. They only think about themselves. That is why this popular saying that goes, the rich gets richer and the poor gets poorer. So because of this, the invention of this platform was made for we to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. Hence, we can get all that we need when we are committed. Many a time we ask ourselves, why is it that bankers work less and get more? It's because of what? They refer people. The more they refer, the more there's more money in the system for them to pay. What am I trying to say? When you invite more people into the system, their PH will make the system to grow. Thereby, getting help will be very, very easier for those that need the money as at by that time you created your PH order. Answer me to a question that goes, how does it work? Yes, it might seem very hard for us to understand how it works, but it is very, very simple. It is a peer-to-peer donation platform. You help each other. A platform created to help each and everyone. You start to ask yourself, does they have what is called a central account? No, it is peer-to-peer donation. You pay directly to the account of the participant who requested for a help. A platform created to help each other financially out of reciprocity and the benevolence. That is why the platform subsequent video I will upload, you will see in your PO, you will see where it is stated get help and they provide help. Under get help, you see that place is when you click when you need the money. Then the PH in the PH order is where you click when you need to help somebody. That is when you need to pay in money for another participant to get as a get help. And while doing that, bear it in mind what you are going to place there is your spare money, the money which you don't need in that specified time. This lands us to the rules. What are the rules of like every other organization? You must have a rule. When you don't have a rule, there's a very possibility that the platform will definitely fold. And one of the rules says, don't click on the button of refusal more than once in a month. And what is the penalty? You will be blocked. Do not fail to confirm your payment or you will be blocked. When you pay, do not fail to upload your proof of payment or you will be blocked. These are the rules, and more especially, don't let your family member to PH more than you, or you will be sanctioned, which is blocked. So all these rules are things that is very so that to avoid what? Greediness. The benefits. The benefits of is when you provide the help of let me say 10,000 naira. At the end of the 30 days, your 30% increase will be there, which is 3,000 naira. That is the benefit. And that benefit is when you provide a help of 10,000 to 143, you will get additional bonus of $20. And when you make such above 145,000 naira, you will be getting $50. And when you make a donation from 858,000 naira and above, you will be getting $100. These are the benefits you get as a participant. Your first level bonus, you get, the first level percentage, you get 5%, second level 3%, third level 1%, in that decreasing order. Your referral bonus is always 10%. When you refer a newbies, you'll be given 10%. What are you still waiting for? The train is on the move. Why not you join this 217 and make a change? Join this 217 and your life will never remain the same. Join hands as we take you to the next level where there will be no more, brother, please help me, I need money. When you have all it takes to enslave me, to come out of this slavery which you've been for a longer time. Thank you. My name is Eze Abraham. Together we will change the world.